How to log into Snapchat without verification code. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar. Now search for Snapchat support. Now tap on submit a request. Now select I can't log into my account. Now tick the option for I can't verify email or mobile number. Now tap on yes. Now fill up the details and submit the request. I hope this should fix your issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.